You're in our studio and you have an RMD file created. What you do is you knit the HTML, so knit it, save that file. Um, Location of mine is right here. And right now, if you go to the location of that file, and we look at the output from that, QDAP, where is that? QDAP right here. It's an HTML. It doesn't really look that great. It looks okay. But we're really after our slides on this. So what we'll do is open up the Windows command line. Wherever that may be. Okay. And we got to first locate the directory that file's in that we just created in our studio using Knitter. And you can always Control C, right click, paste, enter. That's our new directory. And this is the command we're using the pandoc program to convert. It's a great little program. It converts all sorts of different file types. We're also using MathJax. If you see here, that allows for the conversion of the mathematical type code that you may have in there, so it looks good. And this specifies the file we're inputting, qdap.md, and this specifies the file we're outputting, qdap.html, and this will actually create an HTML5 type slideshow using pandoc. So let's go ahead and do that. Control C, paste it there, run it, and it's done it. Take a look at that, and we'll come back and we can also use it to make a Beamer slides. Okay. Location, click on the qdap.html, and you'll notice that it's nice slides for us. There's the logo for QDAP. So pretty nice little slides. Some people like Beamer. Probably if you were writing for Beamer anyhow, you would probably use something like this .rmd file instead of or a .rnw file rather than a .rmd file. But let's say you did want to convert it to Beamer. You're probably going to actually lose some things. I mean, Pandoc's great, but it's not everything. It hasn't fixed. I haven't figured out how to use it to fix everything. Anyhow, this similar type codes that we used above, sending to command line, except for here instead of DZ whatever slides, we're going to put Beamer in. Still using MathJax. Still going to tell it the output and the input. The input is qdap.md. The output is qdap.tx. Grab that. It says it's supposed to be able to do a PDF, so let's actually try that as well. I'm not sure if it can. Or I maybe just don't know how to use it yet. Alright, let's go ahead and see what happened there. QDAP. Oh, it's running some stuff. Yeah, it's saying some stuff's not found. So let's actually go into the text file we created. Open that up. We can go ahead and run that. Probably get some errors. It's probably the first error that they were talking about there. And let's see what that looks like. And there are Beamer slides. As you can see, there's some issues with quality that you'd have to work out in your code, but it's possible to also convert it to Beamer slides as well.